No. No, no, no. I'm on the Titanic. I think we've just hit the iceberg. I did not expect history to start sinking. A few hours earlier, I was in Southampton. This ship is genuinely ridiculous.
One ship. Completely different lives already.
Photos do not prepare you for this at all.
Guys, I'm boarding the Titanic.
This feels way too real now.
Okay, first class is ridiculous.
Even the walls are showing off in here.
This is less ship, more palace.
I understand.
I understand maybe half of this cutlery.
Nobody here has any idea. Down here, the ship suddenly feels alive.
No one here is performing. They're just happy. Okay, this is actually beautiful. They have no idea what's coming. That warmth makes the night worse.
The sea is calm. Too calm. The danger isn't loud. It's almost invisible. At first, it's barely visible.
3 bells! Dead ahead!
The warning reaches the bridge.
Hard a starboard! All engines full!
Now every second matters.
The engines are ordered back. Below deck, the engines start changing. The ship starts to turn. For 1 second, it almost works. But the side is too close.
No explosion, just grinding metal.
It cuts along the side like a knife.
The ship is still moving, but wounded.
That was the beginning of the disaster.
That was not normal.
The strangest part is, nobody panics.
There is no cause for alarm, I assure you. Everything is quite all right.
Everyone wants permission to believe it's fine.
The crew know. That's the scary part.
Down below, fear travels slower.
No!
They start preparing the boats.
Oh no! They're getting the boats ready. Now they know it's real!
Load the rocket! Stand clear of the railing! Aye, sir. Ready to fire! Fire!
That is not for drama. That's a distress signal. Music on one side, death on the other.
They're leaving with empty seats. They're leaving with empty seats.
That's not a ship anymore. It's falling. Oh my God, it's gone dark! This stopped feeling like history hours ago. This is why Titanic still haunts people.
Drifting on the glass green deep, a promise that the waves will keep. The sunlit surface so vast, a perfect moment meant to last. But shadows rise from far below, a different current starts to flow.